Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell already from the title, this video is going to be a tutorial using the ColourPop Twilight eyeshadow palette. I'm obsessed. I cannot believe I waited so long to get this palette because I absolutely am a twihard. I am a huge Twilight fan, and whenever they brought out the New Moon palette, I was like, okay, now is the time. I have to grab both of these ASAP. I did get them on sale, so I had to have them both. So I will show, this is kind of like a haul as well. So I just show both palettes quickly there. And I got the Twilight and the New Moon palette, and I am in love. The palettes are absolutely stunningly gorgeous, and I love the color stories in both, and I think they were perfectly curated towards both movies and books. And I say movies first because, you know, the movies actually put a visual to the color story and the feel of these palettes. I'm really happy, so let's get started. First up, I'm using this AOA Studio eyeshadow primer for my eyes, and under the eyes I'm grabbing a shadow shield because there is a teensy bit of fallout, but not a ton. And of course I'm using the Twilight palette in this video. I love the packaging. I am obsessed. Love it, love it, love it. Absolutely love it. I can't say it enough. I love this cool tone color story as well. So I'm taking 17 and I'm going to use that on a fluffy crease brush, and I'm applying it in the crease. And also, I hate that I even have to mention this right now, but the dog is sitting right at my feet, dead asleep, and he's snoring. So if you hear that, that is Oscar. These shadows are really pigmented. They build easily. They blend phenomenally, as always. And this shade is impossibly fast. Everything about this, like, if you're a Twilight fan, you need these palettes. I cannot believe I waited so very long to pick up this eyeshadow palette. I regret not picking them up sooner. But I'm taking this shade, and it's a dark foresty green, and I'm taking this on a more, like a smudge type, denser, like pencil style brush. There we go. There we go. In the outer corner, and I'm going to blend those two, and then I'm going to be taking Ice Cold, and it's beautiful shimmery shade, and I'm going to put this on my lid using my finger and just really press that and work it onto the lid. These apply so good with the finger as well, and you could also use a brush like I'm doing here to press that further in and give the eyeshadow a little bit more placement, like where I want to place it. Like, I'm at a loss of words. I haven't filmed a voiceover in a while, even though you see one almost every single week. So I am struggling for words right now. But I'm still working on the outer corner, blending all those, and I'm done with that portion of it. Now from this WetnWild Wild Heart palette, I'm just taking this nice creamy vanilla bone shade, and I'm going to use this as my highlight color because there's not a definite highlight in the Twilight palette, so I'm just using this to highlight with and blend that down into the crease shades. This is I just cannot get over, like, I'm obsessed with how this look came out. It's so pretty. So that's a LaColors gel eyeliner in Midnight Black, and this LaColors eyeliner Far Out Green. Absolutely stunning. I got this at the Dollar Tree, and I've used it a few times now, and it is one of my favorite eyeliners I've ever purchased from Dollar Tree. This is from AOA Studio, and it's one of their Artista liners, and it's just in, I believe it's just called green. And I'm going to do a wing with this, and then I'm going to go in with a totally different AOA Studio liner. And this looks teal, but it's actually green in the packaging. And I'm going to do a double wing eyeliner, as you can see from the side here. And I'm just going to put a thin line right above the green wing. Slowly, kind of just barely going at it so we don't mess it up. And the AOA Studio Lash Adhesive, and these lashes are from Shein, and I love this look. I can't say it enough. I'm absolutely obsessed. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as well. I love me some greens as well. So pretty. The Bambi Oversized Eye Mascara. This is from L'Oreal, I believe. I'm loving that mascara as well. And for lips, I am totally smitten on this lipstick right now. Maybelline 545 and Beige Babe. I've been carrying this around with me. I've been using it all the time now. I love this shade of lipstick. And that's the L'Oreal Lumi spray to set my makeup, and the eyes and face are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, found it helpful, and will try the look out for yourselves. Let me know if you have the Twilight palettes also. There are definitely more looks to come, so stay tuned. I thank you so very much for watching, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links as well as a product list. And if you're curious to what's on my nails, there will always be a segment in the description box detailing what is on my nails, and there is a tutorial for this neon galaxy that you see on my nails. I'm also obsessed with it as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like these.